Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on keyboard sound in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. So where to look for our keyboards options. So settings first. Then we need to go to General Management Options menu. Here we have Samsung keyboard settings. Then we need to scroll down to swipe, touch and feedback. And now we need to go to the touch feedback here. And here we have our sounds, vibrations and character previews, as you can see. So these are simple on or off switches. We can choose whatever we want. So we want to have the sound of our keyboard on. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.